Actually, it was a very multidimensional speech. Thank you for that. As you have pointed out, the contribution of India not only in philosophical, educational, but also in a scientific field and scientific dimension. Thank you for this.
Thank you, sir.
Now let me allow Shailly Singh ji. Shailly, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Can I start, sir?
Yeah, definitely, Shailly. First, introduce yourself with the audience, and then start your speech.
Hello, everyone. Good evening. So today I'm here to deliver the speech on topic Reimagining India as Vishwa. As the title, we all know that India, the country known for their philosophical thought, geographical and social diversity, with so many incredible qualities. Roaming around the world, India is the only country which inculcates the title Vishwaguru. This title inseminates the general concept about India as a teacher, as a guru for the entire world. India is always known for its ancient culture. Among the history of civilization, the prosperous ideologies and knowledge make India a convincing and complete example of which the world admires. To ideology of this possible future become, that means समुच्चा विश्व एक परिवार है. India proves its image of Vishwaguru. I can proudly say we are the only one who always bears this ideology in every situation. Becoming India as a Vishwaguru, there are lots of contributions made by so many great men of past with their invention and researches. Some examples like invention of zero makes India proud as an phrase we can say हमने जब शून्य दिया तब दुनिया को गिनती आई. From ancient times before the civilization, the word yoga is inherited from generation to generation, as we believe the inventor of yoga is our Lord Shiva, also known as Adi Yogi or Adi Guru. As we look, India is known province of Kai Chikitsa, even Shailly Chikitsa, also known as internal medicine and surgery, was formed from our Vedas. Different personalities such as Chanakya, known for his incompatible contribution to Tarakya Niti, feared the Indian political treaty, the Arthashastra. The idealist nature of Mahatma Gandhi and Vivekananda, a great philosopher monk of India, contributed their philosophy, which is more popular in whole world in present era. This topic is very vast and interesting. If we speak the words and sentence, it might be not enough. The emotion will always be high. So I'm ending my speech. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shailly. शैली जी ने भी एक बड़ा ही यूनिक कंट्रीब्यूशन इंडिया का एक यूनिक फील्ड में दिखाया है चाणक्य नीति के थ्रू. ओके, एम आई ऑडिबल टू यू? सो थैंक यू शैली फॉर दिस ग्रेट स्पीच. जिस तरह से शैली जी ने भी एक अपना नया व्यू पॉइंट दिखाया है, हमको उससे परिचित कराया है कि इंडिया का कंट्रीब्यूशन सिर्फ पॉलिटिकल स्फीयर में भी इंडिया का एक एमिनेंट कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा है थ्रू चाणक्य नीति वी हैव प्रोवाइडेड. शिवराम जी ने भी इस चीज को और सारे स्पीकर खुशबू जी ने, निखिल जी ने भी इस चीज को कोट किया था कि वी आर द वन वी हैव who have provided the whole world the actual sense of civilization. We have civilized the whole world. So ऐसे contributions और ऐसे thought के साथ इन लोगों ने अपने स्पीच पे विराम दिया है.